ngiyawushaya ngimaphathe nduku umculo 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 ngiyawushaya ngimaphathe nduku phatha lankehla nasheleni bese ngikhumbula emasekeni umrepha ngimpula ngelisekeni ababagcwele imfeketho asambele sempini madodza sitele sefana yi-uniform lena ngayimunyebelele angiyelanga esikolweni shout out to LTE, these niggas will never go quit. We're sneaking under the shites nembana shy quick buka ke kuthi angikhulume uhloko ngule ni parliament malena khona siwodebete akhonzenze hakathi ngerule eslabani bakwesabalabantu sebaphelelwa mala ingani uyakadla kadla silele bawo sidungitholele bawo sada ukhulula umlilo ingadla ngidayibetha ngidawelela ngesheya umculo ngiyawushaya ngimaphathe nduku 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 umculo ngiyawushaya ngimaphathe nduku
bezubuyapha wasishileni nyalo ngiyethopha nguma-ceiling lifetime I lose bafana we winning sesele ijuice bazala we spilling my life is a movie sengiphila kuma-film uthi uyangicrasha but she ain't appealing uyayifasa lakimi she willing socela emanamba but anginama-feelings simple kayigobi lo ngiphundle emahlathi so ungakhali mama please don't cry Jesus is with me the whole time ngidlulise kubonga kumvela ingqandi ngiphithe ngidlulise kubonga nakusofla sayibeka lana bayisusa ngiqhekeza igemu uyayilutha bobova khuta qhege masokisi nyusa maphatsi ndvuku wesinuka feel like Polocha from zero to hero stop uyesibonane shout out to Leo rappers is grams I'm a ton and a kilo on another level what destroy the devil ngeke bayikhonele combo lifetime ivulele sihogo producer poto so shuba tikopo
sidungitholele bawo sidungitholele bawo sada ukhulula umlilo ingadla ngidayibetha ngidawelela ngesheya umculo ngiyawushaya ngimaphathe nduku 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 umculo ngiyawushaya ngimaphathe nduku
bathi kokota mpolwane yashi nkhahla bajele bakhweshelele bajele bakhweshelele ithi bajele bakhweshelele